so beautiful. It's so beautiful.
And after professing her desire to go to a small women's-only liberal arts college in New York City, of course, she ended up at the University of Michigan. There, despite a total lack of interest previously in watching sports, she had developed her undying devotion to Michigan football.
God makes everybody in His image, all beautiful, but God gave people the power to make choices. So when it comes to choices, I think it's clear. My daughter has made some really excellent ones. And the penultimate decision today to choose Ben.
Writing this speech was really difficult for me, and I realized how much I really depend on Allie. She's my go-to person whenever I need advice or help with pretty much anything in life. So when I finally had to do something on my own and write this speech without Allie's help, I realized just how difficult my life would be without you in it.
Allie, we made it. I am over the moon to be here with you, celebrating this moment and this day. Allie, I choose you. You're my travel partner, foodie, fashion advisor, Food Network and sports watching companion, snuggle buddy, but most importantly, my best friend and number one fan. You know me better than anyone else in the world and somehow still managed to love me. I cannot believe that I am lucky enough to marry you today and spend the rest of my life with you. You look so beautiful.
Ben, I couldn't ask for a better son-in-law. As I said at the rehearsal dinner last night, in our family, he's known as Saint Benjamin. You have seamlessly fit into our family, and I feel like that I'm gaining another son. I don't ever know how I can thank you for taking care of my daughter this past year in her time of need. Allie, I've always been proud of you, but never as much as over this past year. Your courage and positive attitude dealing with your medical issue has been an inspiration to us all. You really are my hero.
Allie, you're truly my best and closest friend. I'm so lucky and proud to be your little sister. Allie is my sounding board. She's my confidant, the person that I trust most in the world, and I truly couldn't get through life without you, sissy.
You're right in front of me with the answer.
Honey, how did I get so lucky to get you as mine? You make me laugh. You make me feel like myself. You make me feel safe. And most of all, you make me happy.
You're doing good. You're doing great. You're doing great. You made it. You did it. We both know this last year and a half has tested both of us in many ways, and I admire your courage and strength to keep a smile on your face most of the time despite the pain and struggle that I know you face daily. Our ability to work through this challenge and become even closer in the face of adversity gives me confidence that we can tackle any obstacle ahead of us.
I promise to always root for the Braves and to watch at least 100 games per year with you.
Wow. We can do that.
I promise to push you to follow your dreams, and I know that you'll always do the same for me. But most of all, I promise to love you unconditionally, now and forever.
So, Ben, you have many good qualities, but I'm not here to talk about any of those. So instead, I think I'm gonna talk about golf, actually, and his golf game, and how golf and marriage are really one and the same. Walking up to the first tee, you're full of excitement and optimism, and you're ready to go low. Then, you top your first tee shot. You take a mulligan, you end up in the woods on 2, and then 3 shots later out of the sand, you're having a rough round. Making the turn, you decide to say, screw it, let's have some fun, slam a few beers, maybe a hot dog, and on the back 9, you finally hit a few good shots. You make a putt or 2, maybe even get a birdie. And before you know it, you're having a great time. You leave the course ready for your next round, where the cycle will continue again, only for you to come back and shoot 97. So just remember, in marriage, just like in golf, have that optimism now and throughout life. Give each other those mulligans regularly, and make sure you always remember the good shots that keep you coming back for more. So with that, everybody, raise a glass. Cheers to Allie and Ben.
And by the power vested in me, by the laws of the Commonwealth of Virginia, Allie and Ben, you are husband and wife.